To satisfy her customers' wishes, Claire publishes her best recipes as a cookbook with the title Simply Claire. Her competitor Schneider also bought a copy of her recipe collection at the opening and copies her citywide known and famous super ice cream without further ado. His copy of the super ice cream is so successful that Claire finds out about it. Claire's beside herself and wants to prohibit Schneider from using her recipe for his cafe.
It
may be the case that individual recipes contained in a cookbook are protected by copyright. But even if an individual recipe in a cookbook should enjoy copyright protection, the mere act of cooking according to the recipe instructions does not interfere with the copyright of the author. The act of cooking does not involve any copying of elements. Cooking only involves executing the instructions given in the cookbook. Copyrights do not grant authors any exclusive right to the content of their texts. Only the concrete form of presentation, by means of which the content was expressed, is protected. Copyright does not protect ideas. In addition to protection for individual recipes, the protection for the cookbook as a whole comes into question. For such compilations, copyright law provides for protection for so-called collected works. Cookbooks are typical collected works. For collected works, the individual character results from the selection and arrangement of the content. The copyright of the author would only be violated if the selection and/or arrangement of the recipes were reproduced. This is likewise not done by the act of cooking according to a recipe.
Auch das geschieht aber durch das bloße Nachkochen nicht.